Juicing with Queen.
Juice now, man.
Say it with your chest.
This juice. Juice. This is your Glow to Glow Up juice for skin, immunity, and digestion with nature's best ingredients. Acne, low energy, or just getting sick all the time? Watch the whole video because I'm breaking down the biggest juicing myths and how to get the best results. Let's get juicy. Why this juice works. Sweet potato and carrots. These are two of my favorite root vegetables. Orange and yellow, yes. Solar plexus and sacral. This is excellent for your creativity, confidence, emotional intelligence. Get the orange and the yellow root vegetables in. Beta carotene for natural glow and vision support with the carrots. Oranges and pineapple contain vitamin C, which are powerhouses for immunity and collagen production. Natural glowing skin, work the vitamin C in. Perfecta with oranges and a splash of lemon. This ginger is magic. Add it to any of your juices and it's going to help with suppressing appetite. It's anti-inflammatory. If you know, you know. Digestion and circulation. Cucumber is for hydration and detoxing the skin, detoxing the organs, and hydration with the cucumber. It's good on the outside, the cucumber, and it is good on the inside. These ingredients aren't just delicious, they are healing. This is why juicing is a game changer. You're absorbing the nutrients fast with no heavy digestion needed. Have your supplies ready and chop everything small to fit into your juicer. Juice your soft ingredients first. That's your cucumber, your oranges, and your pineapple. And then add in the tougher ones like the sweet potato, the carrots, and the ginger. Do a taste test. You can adjust it with more ginger if you like that pow and that zing, or add more pineapples if you want it a bit sweeter. The carrots and sweet potatoes are naturally sweet. Oh, add a little cinnamon if you are into that sort of thing. Look at this beautiful sacral solar plexus juice. This is straight up liquid sunshine for your body. Will this juice help with weight loss? Do I need to drink juice on an empty stomach? What about the sugar and fruit juices? I'm answering all these questions for you in the Juicing e-bundle, plus recipes for weight loss, detox, and immunity, what to do with the pulp, and frequently asked questions. Download your Juicing bundle now that you know the glow up power of juicing. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay high vibrations.